So today I'm going to show you one of the coolest AI tools for Kubernetes troubleshooting, that is K8sGPT. Uh, if you ever struggled with debugging pods, services, YAML file issues, or the cluster errors, this tool is literally like having your own AI powered SRE sitting beside you. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Kubernetes GPT is basically an open source AI assistant that constantly scans your Kubernetes clusters, finds issues, and explains them basically into the simple human readable language. So you can think it as it's basically a kubectl describe command, which is provided by a AI explanation, and then uh, it contains also the troubleshooting guide, all in coming into the same place. So let's go ahead and install Kubernetes GPT in our cluster. We will download the Debian package and install that in our cluster. So before that, I will create a new folder with the name Kubernetes GPT. mkdir K8sGPT. Now let's move into this folder. All right. Next, let's download the Kubernetes GPT Debian package. This is basically I'm downloading it for the AMD 64 architecture from the official GitHub repository. I'm going to paste the link here. So it's downloading. Let's unpack this Debian package. For that, I'm going to run the sudo command. Going to give the password for the system. Let's verify the Kubernetes GPT installed version. For that, we are going to write the command K8sGPT version. Okay, so it's using the version 0.4.21. Now I'll go ahead and clear the screen. How Kubernetes GPT works in action. So to demonstrate this, we will intentionally going to create a faulty pod. We will ask the cluster for an almost impossible CPU request, which is something like 10,000 millicores. Obviously, no node can provide that much of CPU, so this pod is guaranteed to be fail, and that's exactly what we would like to see in this demo. So a failing pod helps us to test how well the Kubernetes GPT detects an issue and explain them in simple language. So let's go ahead and proceed with creating a quick YAML to demonstrate this particular exercise. So I'll just go ahead and tell this pod faulty.yaml file. I'm just going to paste the contents here. So here you can see I have requested higher CPU resources here. I'm going to save the file, going to apply this YAML file with a kubectl, apply -f pod faulty.yaml. Okay, so you can see the pod, simple faulty pod created. I will just go ahead and describe it. simple multi-pod. So you can see here it's failed with warning. Nodes are available, 3 insufficient CPUs, preemption 0/3, nodes are available, no preemption, victims found for incoming pod. So insufficient CPU here, right? So now let's go ahead and look around Kubernetes GPT troubleshooting, analyze how pod resource for issues using this particular command. Let's see here. I'm going to run K8sGPT analyze. Sorry for the typo. -F. I'll restrict this command to the pods. Okay, sorry for typo. It's going to be the pod. So we can see here it shows error 0/3, nodes are available, insufficient CPU, no preemption, victims found for incoming pod. So there is an issue with the pod and the error message is extracted here. So it's also mentioned that AI is not used as of now. At Ollama's LLM model as a backend for Kubernetes GPT, K8sGPT. So let's run the command here. So it says local AI added to the AI backend provider list. Now let's analyze the pod resource issue with AI backend. Let's run another command. So it is checking in the background. Let's wait for a few minutes to see the output. Okay, so here I can see that the LLM has provided one-line explanation and has provided the details on basic steps to fix the error. Now, if you want more answers to specific questions we have about this issue, we can execute this in an interactive mode for easier troubleshooting. Let's try to do it with the K8sGPT. For this, you just need to add interactive with the existing command. So here it went into the interactive mode. You can see here interactive mode enabled, type exit to close. So this is the sample question what I'm asking here. So this is my pod configuration YAML below. What values I do need to modify to fix the CPU issue here. Let's go ahead and enter. Okay, so here is the output. So to fix the CPU issue, you need to reduce the CPU request for your pod. In your current configuration, the CPU request is set to 10,000 millicore, which is equivalent to 10 cores. You can try reducing this value to the lower number, for example 5,000, which is equivalent to 5 cores, and see if it helps in scheduling the pod. So we need to make the change here to fix the problem. So that's what is the recommendation provided via K8sGPT in integration with the Ollama. So you should be able to see the solution with a reduced request for the CPU resources. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe for more Kubernetes and AI content. drop your doubts into the comments. I'll reply to everyone. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.